In today's episode of This Old Van, we got Captain Deuce with no cast on. Got a Captain Deuce with a good leg. We're gonna work on the runaway. Check out the awning, see what shape it's in. You wanna help me with the awning? Huh? Yeah. Come on, help me with the awning. Look underneath here. Got a little bit of stuff that needs scrubbed. Let's look up top. I can't quite see up there, so you guys will be my eyeballs. We'll review the tape. I just have to review the tape. Nice second look from here. Yeah, it don't look bad at all. Get a scrub on that. Oh. Right, all cleaned up. Not too shabby. Holding up for 30 years old, I'd say. Yeah, cleaned up pretty good. Couple of leaf marks, but you expect that. We'll let it dry and put it back in there. Hey, did you inspect it? Did I do a good job on the awning? Was it a good job? Yeah? Captain Deuce approved? Thank you. Look on the inside here. What was our other thing today? Replacing the tube. So it turns out our leak wasn't Deuce's water. It was the fill hose for our freshwater tank. So we're gonna pop a new freshwater tank hose on. It used to live here. Ta-da, ta-da. Now we have a new one. It's gonna live there. And dun da da da, all finished. Good morning, Deuce. How's your new toes? They work good? I say they work pretty good. It appears the birds have approved of our paint job, or wanted to add to it. Alright, let's see what we can do about this license plate or footstool. Out, screechy footstool. Let's get that thing a little attention and see if we can make it pretty too. Match the rest of the front end of this thing. It's coming together. Gotta get that paint stripe done as soon as it gets warmer. Today we're feeling lazy, so we're just gonna do the movie magic and bake. Now it's gotten some attention. That looks a little better. Let it dry and then we'll oil it so it stops squeaking. I think it's safe to tow with. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna remove it. We'll get a real one if we want to tow something. So we got out a big bar and see if we can yank this thing off today, quick. Movie magic on the rear bumper today. What do you guys say? Make it easy. Ta-da! We have blacked out parts. So no more chrome. Rack, ladder, bumper, tire cover, side skirts, front bumper. Everything's blacked out. That's all we're going to be doing for this week. We're going to be getting ready for another trip this coming weekend, so we'll see what that video brings. Thanks a lot.